Good morning, students. In the last class, I started a new chapter that was coordinate geometry, and I gave some simple questions in the assignment also, but your response was very poor. So just to revise those type of questions or those important terms which are being used in coordinate geometry, so today I'm making one more video, and I'll just try to clear those doubts which you had in the last class. Now here, if you observe this graph, so I have drawn two number lines. One is a horizontal line. I have written here x, o, x dash, and this is a vertical one, that is y, o, y dash. Now these are a coordinate axis. Now where the coordinate axis, now this coordinate axis is dividing this particular plane into four parts. So they are called quadrants. So I'll write here, they are called quadrants. This is first quadrant, this is second one, this is third, and this is fourth. Clear? These are four quadrants. Clear? Now where these two coordinate axes meet, this point of intersection is called origin. Clear? This is called origin. Now first I'll draw the number line here. I'll just now this side you have to take all the positive numbers, 1 integers, or sorry 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6, and this is 7, and so on. Now this side, that is on the left side of the origin, I'll take all the negative integers, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and above the origin I'll take the positive integers, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here below the origin I'll take the numbers, negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and -7. Now the quadrant, the coordinate of origin will be 0, 0. Now here the x also will be 0 and the y also will be 0. I'll write here, this is 0, 0. Now here the coordinate will be of origin will be 0, 0. Clear? Now suppose say as far as the sign is concerned, in the first coordinate, see I have x, the positive integers, and y is also. That means here x and y both are positive. So in the second one, x is negative and y is positive. So here it will be like this, negative and positive. So in the third coordinate, see I have both negative, so that will be negative comma negative. Okay, the order pair, if both are negative, that means you have to plot on the third coordinate. In the fourth coordinate, x is positive and y is negative. So these are the, in this way you will come to know, after seeing the points you will come to know okay, that particular point lies on which quadrant. Clear? Next is, suppose say if the point is being given, I'll write the point here, say 2, 3. So I have taken the point 2, 3. Now just see here x, so this is the first one, this is called x coordinate, or it is also called abscissa. I have explained that one in the previous video. And this is a y coordinate, and this is also called ordinate. This is also called ordinate. This is y and this is x. Now here both are positive. That means obviously it will lie in the first quadrant. Okay. Now just see x is 2. Now here this is 2. See 2. From here you just draw a line which is parallel to y-axis, and y is 3. The y is here. So first I'll draw a line which is parallel to y-axis from 2. See like this. And from 3 I'll draw a line which is parallel to x-axis. Now where these two lines meet, this point is 2, 3. That means 2, 3 lies in the first quadrant. Clear? Now in the second one, if suppose I'll take one more point, I think it's not visible, so I'll just mark with a red pen, say 2, 3. Clear? Now I'll take the second point, say -2 and -3. Now both are minus, that means it will lie in the third quadrant. So -2, x is -2. Where is -2? Here. see, and this is -3. Now where these two meet, see here. So this is from -2. I'll draw a line which is parallel to y-axis, and y is -3, so I'll draw a line which is parallel to x-axis. Now where these two meet, that particular point is, you mark that particular point as -2 and -3. Clear? Suppose say the point is say 0, 3. Now tell me, now here x is 0 and y is 3. Now x is 0 means here, and y is 3, that is positive, that means it is somewhere here at 3, because here x is 0 and y is 3. So this point is 0, 3. If it is like this, say if it is 3, 0, 3, 0 means that here x is 0 and y, x is 3 and y is 0. So x is 3 means here, that is a positive integer here, and y is 0. So it will be here, this point will be on x axis. So this will be x, that is 3, and y is 0. So this point lies on x axis. So like this you have to plot the graph. So majority of the problems will be related to this one. You will be given some points and they will ask you to plot on a graph paper, and after plotting you have to join all the points and you have to mention what type of figure you are getting. That is one thing. In second type of questions, they will give you the graph and they will ask you the points. Say for example, I'll just mark here, say this point, say A. Now tell me what is this point A? How much is A? So just see. Now here this C on x axis, this is 5, and this if I draw a line from here, it is passing through -4. That means the y is -4. That means when you are taking y value, you have to draw a line parallel to x axis, and when you are taking a x point, you have to draw a line parallel to y axis. So like this, I'll join this like this. So this is, sorry, and like this you will get a point. Clear? So like this you will be getting two different type of questions. They either they will give you some points, they will ask you to plot those points on a graph paper, or sometimes they will give you the points, they will ask you to tell the to mention the points, or they will give you points and they will ask you that those points lies on which coordinate. So you have to, after seeing the signs, and you have to tell whether they lie in the first coordinate or the second coordinate or a third coordinate or a fourth coordinate. So these are the few important concepts which you have to understand. Clear? I think in this video, I think the students who are having the doubts were there in their mind, I think everything is clear. Now just see this video 2-3 times and I'll give you some more questions in the assignment. Clear? And this time everyone should attempt all the questions. Clear? Thank you.